Okay, we're back with Sally's Lemonade Stand, and what happened here, we calculated our profit for Monday. We want to do it for the rest of the week. Instead of typing Tuesday here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to this corner. You see how my cursor goes from the arrow to a little plus sign? And if I drag that over, we see Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So that's a little quick handy thing to do to get the days of the week. And what else? It works for January. It works for months of the year. If we come up, when we go to that lower right hand corner, we get the plus sign. February, March, April, May, June. So it goes on like that. What it else can work for is numbers. 1, 2, we might even just be able to do it with 1. Let's try 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And also, we can do it by 1, 5. Now, if we give it something to follow here, the 1, 5, this should go to 10. Whoops, 9, 13, because I only did 4. I added 4 to it. Okay. If I wanted to do, I have to say 0, 5, to go up by 5s. Now it's 10, 15, 20. Okay, so 0, 5, 10, 15, 20. If I go up 2, 4, it should go 2, 4. This should be 6, 8, 10. So by dragging and dragging that bottom corner, we can create our numbers there. It's easier than typing them all in. A little quicker way to do things. So we've got our days of the week up there, and the next thing we want to do is, these are formulas, so we could want to drag them over to the next. So let's say Tuesday she sells, so Tuesday she sold 15 cups. Wednesday she sold 26, Thursday 17, and Friday 19 cups. Now what we want to do to quickly calculate this is to highlight, right click, copy, right click, paste, and we're getting zeros. Not what we expected. Our bottom one looks good, profit, which here we have B8 minus B9, B8 minus B9. Here, C8 minus C9, that looks good. But when we come to our income, here we have C7 or B7 times C16. And we come here, we see C7 times D16, so it moved it over 1. So what we want to do with this formula is anchor it, is what we call that, by putting dollar signs, $C, $16, hitting enter. So now when I copy this one, paste, yes, we want to replace it, and we're getting what we want. Now that we have our income, we need to calculate our expenses the same way. Clicking on here, we want to anchor it in with the dollar signs, D and the 14. Now, if I just take this whole thing, copy, and Control V, we get our daily profits calculated, and we did that by anchoring in our selling price and our cost per cup.